Now, as we get older, so our bodies begin to tire out. But a Russian scientist believes he's got the answer to keep us in peak condition in our retirement. Professor Dr Skulachev says he's found an antioxidant that stops the gradual deterioration of people's health due to the aging process. RT's Natalia Novikova reports.
It looks complicated, and it is. It's almost a life's work for Dr Skulachev. 2 more years of testing, and the doctor thinks he will have finally cracked the enigma of aging. Let's get the science over with now. Apparently, it's all about how oxygen reacts in your body.
99% of the time, it turns into harmless water, but there's that 1% that turns into superoxide that later turns into very poisonous elements. So the task was to find an antioxidant that stops that process.
And hence, according to the professor, stops anyone from getting old. He's been working to perfect his treatment for more than 40 years. The hard thing has been to try and stop any possible side effects. Colleagues from around the world think Professor Skulachev is onto something.
That's very realistic because it has been shown that oxidative damage is huge, but we don't have antioxidants of the type that Skulachev has developed. And he is, coined the term bioenergetics. He is clearly the world's best biochemist, bioenergetics person.
The compound has already undergone animal testing, and the results appear promising. These 2 rats are siblings. The one on the left has been given the drug and is now much more lively than the other one that is dying.
Finally, we hope that we will manage to convince people that, look, this single pill cures so many threats of aging. So must be doing something with aging itself. Then, if regulatory authorities will accept this logic, then maybe we could somehow market it as an anti-aging drug.
After success with the eye drops on animals, the inventor tried it on his own cataract. 6 months later, his physician told him his cataract was gone. Thousands are queuing to take part in the clinical trials, which have just started.
But it will be a few years before Professor Skulachev's discovery is sitting on the shelf of a pharmacy like this. Some have already dubbed the drug a panacea, and if it lives up to its promise, the treatment should have an effect on the diseases of aging and bring it with the prospect of a longer and better quality of life. Natalia Novikova, RT.